For much of this year, Americans have had ample supply and access to coronavirus vaccines. Despite that, the U.S. has one of the world's highest COVID death tolls. It now tops 700,000. Those deaths are fueled by a summer surge of infections among the unvaccinated. Today, President Biden issued a statement saying, on this day and every day, we remember all those we have lost to this pandemic, and we pray for their loved ones left behind who are missing a piece of their soul. But there is progress. Both cases and deaths are down over the last 2 weeks. CBS's Lilia Luciano joins us in Newport Beach, California, with the latest on the virus and new vaccine mandates. Lilia, good evening.
Good evening to you, Jamie. You know, those last 100,000 deaths have happened since the vaccine has been available for anyone above 12. And now California is making an even bigger push to get more shots in arms. Pushback and praise after Governor Gavin Newsom announced California will require all public and private school children K through 12 to get vaccinated once there's FDA approval.
I'm way more scared of my kids getting COVID and what those side effects are than of the vaccine.
I don't trust the vaccine and I'm not going to give it to my child.
But it's not just schools. American Airlines, JetBlue, and Alaska are now joining United Airlines in mandating vaccines for workers. 55% of Americans are now fully vaccinated, but the summer surge among the unvaccinated has fueled record deaths. With the South hardest hit by the Delta variant, Mississippi, Louisiana, Alabama, and Florida all saw spikes in infections and deaths. Today, Alaska is the nation's hotspot with the highest number of new cases and deaths per capita.
The hospital is full and the caregivers are exhausted and overwhelmed.
California, where 70% of those eligible are vaccinated, has now joined a growing list of states now enforcing vaccine mandates for healthcare workers. But there are fears these requirements could worsen staff shortages, with workers quitting or getting fired.
I just felt the loyalty was gone, it was lost. After everything I did as a nurse throughout the whole year during the pandemic, I just felt betrayed.
The overwhelming majority of people hospitalized with COVID are unvaccinated. And while booster shots are available for the most vulnerable people, there are concerns that another surge might happen now that the cooler weather is going to bring more people indoors. Jamie?
Let's hope not. Lilia, thank you.